Hey guys, Coach Tim, Spider Cave Studios, Torrance, California, Spider Juice Technologies, and I want to show you how I get and pull quick text out of my content. As you may know by now, I do most of my stuff in the last year or two on audio, and then I'll convert into video. Now, like I did with this, and you'll see here,
Torrance, California.
it's a one slide show. I got a picture of Adam here, and it's a video, and I do that through a site called Auphonic, auphonic.com, which will give me a MP3 post-production. Does a pretty good job with the voice and the background noise, and then it also will give me a video if I want. So what I do is get the video, then I stick it into YouTube, and it's a video, right? But it has the content, so it's like a vlog. What I used to do with Auphonic, just ASAP, FYI, ASAP. What am I thinking? FYI, if you're into this and want to go to Auphonic, they will create a transcription, but it's not complete, I found. And so, but it might be worth it for some short snippets of the transcripts. To get the full transcript automatically, what you do is go to subtitles here. Make sure they're turned on in your settings of your channel. Go to subtitles, turn it on, and bada bing, bada boom. Once this is working up here, then go down here to transcript, and this pops up, and now you have the whole thing top to bottom. And then what you could do is pull content, the whole thing out. Now mind you, this is automatic, it's not perfect, it's going to have misspellings, it's a stupid machine, but it gives you a first draft, and it's well worth it in my opinion. This is Coach Tim out. Hopefully this was helpful. I also have some other tricks as far as transcription, free transcription, that I will be showing at another time.